Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss, is Reddit good for marketing? It's a question that a lot of people ask. It's obviously a very popular social media site, but there is this idea that Reddit is not good for marketing because the users are quite savvy and they're turned off by traditional marketing where people come straight at them and say, hey, this is my product, buy it. That's not the kind of content that's going to do well on Reddit. First of all, let's just look at a few details about Reddit. So this is a list from SEMrush of the top websites by US visitors in April 2022. And you can see that Reddit is the 6th most visited site for American users in April 2022. It's just below like the biggest sites in the world, even above Wikipedia, Yahoo, Twitter, Bing, Instagram. Reddit is way up there. It is a huge site. It's not a site that you can ignore if you're into social media marketing at all. You really do have to get on there. It is very huge. It cannot be ignored. Let's look at a couple popular subreddits that I've found here. So for example, we have frugal male fashion, and this subreddit is dedicated to discussing fashion deals. People can show off their finds and get reviews and things like that and discuss what kind of fashion is in. It has 2.8 million people looking for fashion deals. 1.7 thousand are online right now that you could be marketing to if you have the right approach. Another one, for example, is Build a PC Sales. 866,000 members, 3.8 thousand online, and these are people that are looking to buy computer parts, build custom computers. So if you have anything like that, you can market to these people in the right way. You can't just come out and say, I have this, buy it. You have to approach them in a creative way, and that's going to take some time and effort. You're going to have to study and understand Reddit a little better, but there's a lot of people who are looking to buy things. They're looking to spend money, and if they're looking to spend money, why can't they spend it with you? They can. They just don't know about what you're offering, so you have to get it in front of them in a way that's not going to turn them off. So that is going to take some practice, and there's lots of methods out there for doing so, but the bottom line is Reddit is excellent for marketing. You cannot ignore this site if you sell anything online, or even targeting a local business can have their own subreddit. So Reddit is good for marketing. Don't sleep on it. Get started today.